Thou shalt not speak ill of other Latinos. Part 2. If you're not familiar with the fashion designer Willie Chavarria, you should look him up. Chavarria has twice been selected Menswear Designer of the Year by the Council of Fashion Designers of America. Willie Chavarria, who grew up in Fresno, California, is also someone who has never forgotten who he is or where he comes from. Now recently, Chavarria has been heavily criticized for cultural appropriation because he designed some shoes in collaboration with Adidas that supposedly resembled huaraches that were famously originated in Oaxaca, Mexico. Now I'm not exactly sure what cultural appropriation means today, but I do know this. The blowback from this will make it harder for Chavarria and other Latino fashion designers to raise the money or get the corporate backing that they need to do their own fashion lines. Now if you follow Chavarria, you probably know that this is a guy who has risked a great deal for standing up for the things and the people that he believes in, especially other Latinos. And this is where we fail strategically. We, as Latinos, need to develop a culture of celebrating other Latinos and leave the criticism to others. When we attack one of our own, our brand suffers and our opportunities dry up. If you want to hear more about the Latino brand, leadership, or building wealth, follow me for more.